Right, in this video we're going to determine which is the smaller, 12 to 5 or 10 to 13. So to compare two or more ratios, write the ratios in the form 1 to n or n to 1, depending how they're written. So if we're writing both in the form of 1 to n, so we'll take 12 to 15. Because we want this to be 1, then we have to divide both sides of the ratio by 12. 12 divided by 12 is 1, and 15 divided by 12 is 1.25. Doing the same for the other ratio, 10 to 13. So dividing both sides by 10 this time, because we want this one to be 1. Well, that's going to give me 1 to 1.3. Therefore, we can very clearly see that this is the smaller of the two ratios. So using the original format, 12 to 15 is the smaller ratio. So this has been a video to show you how to compare two ratios. I hope you've understood. Well, thank you very much for watching.